Discovering the hidden treasures of the Northeast. Fact File of Northeast India. For those who haven't watched Part 1, the link is provided in the description below. Subscribe to our channel for more such content.
Seven Sisters of Northeast India. Some of you might be wondering, who are these sisters living in Northeast of India? Well, it's the 7 states of Northeast India, which are referred as the cute 7 sisters. Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Tripura, Manipur, Mizoram. In this video, we will be talking about Assam. Look at this picture. What can you observe? It's the picture of a national park in Assam. This national park is famous for one-horned rhinoceros in Assam. It is a home to two-thirds of the great one-horned rhino. It's Kaziranga National Park. Like this, Northeast India is home to many wildlife sanctuaries. Now, since we are talking about Assam, we must know its meaning too. The word Assam means fearless in a home language, a native language of Assam. The word fearless means unmatched or incomparable. Now some of you might be wondering, was Assam always called Assam before? And the answer is no. In olden times, Assam was called Kamrup. It was also known as Prabhajyotishpur due to astrology, Jyotish Shastra practices that prevailed in this part of the country during that period. However, Kamrup became more predominant name in the later part of the history. Now let's know about some tourist attractions in Assam. Kamakhya Temple. Yes, the Kamakhya Temple is in Assam. It is situated on the Neelachal Hill on the western part of the Guwahati city in Assam. This temple is considered as one of the oldest of the 51 Shakti Peethas in India. Since Kamakhya Temple is situated near the banks of river Brahmaputra, how can we forget about it? The river Brahmaputra originates from the Kailash ranges of the Himalayas at an elevation of 5,300 meters. After flowing through Tibet, it enters India through Arunachal Pradesh and flows through Assam and Bangladesh before it joins the Bay of Bengal. Now let's discuss about Assam's culture in a fun way. The culture of Assam is, as we know, rich and diverse, influenced by various ethnic groups and traditions. It includes vibrant music, dance, festivals, cuisine, and handloom traditions too. Traditional Assamese music includes Borgeet, Ojpali, and Bihu songs. Since we are talking about Assamese music, how can we forget about the musical instruments? Pepa. It is a traditional Assamese flute made from buffalo horn. It has distinct sound and is often played during Bihu celebrations. Roll. Some of you might have already knew its shape and sound just by its name. It is a large, barrel-shaped Indian drum played with sticks. Dhols are commonly used in Bihu performances and other festivals too. Gogona. This instrument is a Jew's harp made of bamboo or metal. It is a popular folk instrument in Assam. Subscribe and follow us for more such content.